Welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here. So today I'm baking some cookies for Nina's party today. It's Sunday 24th October today and I'm baking the cookies. Here are the cookies. They look like this. This is the first batter, guys, and the second batter I'm going to make later after when the cookies are baked. And drop a like in this video, guys, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. So they are turning out good. We put for 10 minutes the timer, so I have to keep on checking out. So I'll see you guys when the cookies are done. So I'm back in the kitchen to check the cookies how they are, and this is how the cookies are looking now. They are getting baked. They look a little bit brown. Oh, it looks like they're done. Yeah, they're looking good. The kitchen is smelling very delicious. Today I had to do some baking. It's 1:46 right now, and before baking I was doing some sketching today. It's a mess here, and I was also sharpening my color pencils. So all this stuff is here right now. I might do some sketching later after lunch, maybe, if I get time. And these cookies have to be decorated and done by before 5 o'clock today, because today is actually, guys, Nina's farewell party, because she's leaving to Switzerland. Oh, I hear a bell. That means the cookies are done. See. Cookies. Ooh, the steam is coming out. Steam आ रहा है.
जल गए ये तो जल गए.
Oh.
Shit. कोई बात नहीं.
Guys, I'm back. So the first batter cookie we made, it got burned. Actually, it got very much burned. Only one cookie got saved, and the top part was burned of that cookie and the bottom part was not. But otherwise all the cookies were burned fully. But we make the cookies again, but we couldn't make the heart shape or the flower shape, which was like big cookie. So we made tiny Mickey Mouse cookies. So it's like a Disneyland vibes. And I just took a shower before, that's why my hair is up, and I've changed into different clothes, and later I'm going to wear different clothes for Nina's party, because it's 3:30 right now and I have to go to her house at 5 o'clock, and I'm going to play in her house a little bit, and then when 7 o'clock happens we're going to leave to the club at 7 o'clock. And the Nene said the party is going to finish at 11:30, but actually it's going to finish at 9 o'clock, 9:30 or 10:30, something like that. So today's morning was good. How are you guys, by the way? Sorry, I didn't ask you that. So today my morning was it was good, but not really. My mother made me cry a little bit. She got a little bit angry, so she made me cry in the morning, and then I cried again in the baking time, because I felt sad that so much hard work I did with my mother and all the cookies were burned. So we made another batter. Now I have to just wait for it to cool down, and then we're going to start the decorating and icing part. But I only have one color icing, which is pink, and I have sprinkles. And yeah, so today is going to be a fun day, guys. Reason why the angle looks like this, because I'm sitting in the living room. I'm wearing this ABCD alphabet t-shirt and minion shorts. Oh guys, look at this. It's raining outside. It's like a little bit windy. So guys, I just had my lunch before after taking a shower. I did a hair wash today because I'm going to the party today, Ninya's party. So I did a hair wash today and I had my lunch. For lunch I had noodles and vegetables and it was good. Now I'm having Yakult, just like a drink. And I'll show you guys the cookies, how they are. Now, you weren't able to see it that much because they're still inside the oven for cooling down. So the cookies look like this. So when we take out the cookies, I'm going to show you guys. And comment down below if you guys want to see my morning routine, actually, because in long time ago I made a video on my night routine and I showed you guys what I do every night, but I think you guys have not seen my morning routine, so I thought to show you that. So next video I'm going to do that. And guys, comment down below if you want me to do more gaming videos or art and craft videos, like drawing or craft videos, because you might have noticed these days I'm not making drawing videos or craft videos or gaming videos. So I'm gonna start doing that again because I think you guys are liking that. Comment down below if you like that and give me some video ideas to do. And yeah, it looks like a windy day outside. Look at that. It's kind of windy and rainy day. So I'll see you guys later after when I'm done having my Yakult, and then I'll show you guys my cookies, how they look. Because if they are done, if they are like not soft and they are hard, then I have to start decorating them now, because soon it's going to be 5 o'clock. Like, I do have time. It's going to be 4 o'clock soon, so but I have to still decorate it fast and early. These are done cooling. Here how it looks, guys.
What does it say about I know? Put in my phone, yeah, just a minute. What is that story also? My story.